What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Bluetooth mode on your ROCKMIX 8. Now the ROCKMIX 8 has a Bluetooth mode that we can use with channels 3 and 4, so we can pair any smartphone or tablet and have it playing through the mixer and out of our speakers. So to demonstrate, I have my smartphone right here that I'm going to connect through Bluetooth. So to do that, I'm going to activate the Bluetooth button here on my mixer. And you'll know your device is connected when the Bluetooth light stays solid. Once you see the Bluetooth light start to blink, that means it's looking for a device to connect to. So for that, I'm going to go back to my smartphone and go into the Bluetooth settings. Search for the device that reads ROCKMIX 8 and click on it to pair. And you'll know your device is connected when the Bluetooth light stays solid. So now to hear the music from my Bluetooth device, I'm gonna raise the level knob for channels 3 and 4. And I'll also wanna be sure that the main mix knob is raised as well. And now you should be able to hear everything coming from your Bluetooth device out of your mixer, but just in case you aren't hearing anything, you can try raising and adjusting your level knob. And we also recommend setting the volume on the actual Bluetooth device to about 75%. So now let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Alright, so now we hear it all coming through. And again, we can use the 3-band EQ to affect the sound. So I can raise the high end. Now it's a lot more present. Bring that down. Got the mid. You can take out some of that body. Bring it up. Yep. You can use the low knob to affect the bass. So got a lot more bass coming through there. Turn it down. No bass now at all. Bring it back. There we go. We also got the balance knob, so we can send it to the left speaker. Yeah. And then we got the right speaker. There we go. And then we can bring it back to the middle. So it's coming from both. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up Bluetooth with your ROCKMIX 8. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.